Alleged rivals Regina Daniels and Chika were spotted rocking same Givenchy shoe. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any update from this channel. The duo was spotted on different days in private jets, which appears to be different, but many believe the jet belongs to Regina Daniels' billionaire husband, Ned Nwoko. Recall that Chika made the rounds online weeks ago after she was accused of dating Ned and secretly plotting to be his seventh wife. It was also alleged that Ned's sixth wife, Regina Daniels, felt bad about it, and a purported video of her mother, Rita Daniels, allegedly warning Chika to back down went viral. However, Ned Nwoko and Chika has both come out to deny the allegation.